everybody, this is E, and I just had a few questions for you, and I hope that you guys can comment below and kind of create a community discussion because it needs to be talked about. How do you feel when you are misgendered, and how do you react? Do you react conscientiously, professionally? Do you use that and say that it's a trigger for you and lash out at people? Do you give people appropriate amounts of time to relate to your transition? What is the appropriate amount of time to you depending on who your loved one is or your coworkers are, people that have known you for longer periods of time, because it can be quite difficult. I call myself a she sometimes, and I'm still in the middle of my transition, and I see a lot of people getting angry and telling people off in the community, unfortunately, that are just trying to understand and not trying to bash them or be angry at them. And the transgender man, FTM, will be lashing out at them for misgendering them when they look extremely feminine also, and it's just coming from a place of interest. So I want to know how you guys feel about misgendering, unintentional misgendering, when people call you she and then say he and then she and are caught off guard when they call you he for a while and then call you she. Different scenarios that you guys go through, because there are a ton and everybody has different social interactions and emotional interactions with the people around them and that they love. So I want to know how you're feeling when other people misgender you. How do I feel? I am the most understanding, lax person that I can really ever imagine. I'm not offended by anything. I know that people are always trying to understand and are new to it, because I've been a female for almost 30 years, and after that long of a period of time and being in the public eye and working in real estate and with a lot of different people and business management and things like that, and people see you as a very feminine woman, and I change into I'm working on it, more masculine man figure. So it's coming from a place that a lot of people never thought. So it's not something that people naturally go to. And, I give everybody the benefit of the doubt. I know nobody's trying to maliciously say anything. And the more I am comfortable with who I am, the more people believe that I am a male. And even if it's not the male that I am looking to be, or I suspiciously think that they don't think I am, because I feel like I'm very flamboyant in certain aspects, such as crossing my legs, and my voice sometimes, and how I carry myself at times can be somewhat feminine. I've gotten much better at that, but I understand if somebody misgenders me, and I don't really hold people accountable a lot when they do. A lot of people will still say girl in my comment, and they'll see as time goes on. I'm not gonna openly just keep correcting and with people, because not everybody keeps up with every part of my life or every part of your life. So please let me know how you feel, and start some conversation below. I hope this has helped open your guys' mind and started some kind of dialogue within the community, and I hope to speak with you guys soon below. Thanks.